Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Team Horton's account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, here on the search bar simply type in teamhortons.com and hit enter. And once you hit enter, you'll be provided with this page like this. And now once you're here, simply log into your account as well. And once you're logged in, here you'll be seeing this profile icon. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on it, you'll be seeing these options. Now you'll be seeing an option that says account info, right? Simply tap on that, and once you tap on account here, the first thing that you need to do is enter in the zip code of the United States and then set default SIM card reload amount as well. Once you hit update, after that you'll be provided with an option that says modified or delete your account. Once you have that option, simply click on that, and then the next page will show you why you want to delete your account. It's just simply select an option and then proceed with the deletion of your account, and once the process is complete, your account will be deleted. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.